The architects and the contractors, they did a great job in renovating a building that had a different purpose and repurposing the building. That's something that we've been able to do in the district, and this is just another example of being able to revitalize a building in the community that was already existing.
Thank you all for coming out to join us this evening.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
I'm incredibly proud of all the hard work that's been done to turn a conventional office building into this modern facility we now call our Police Command Center. We would not be here today if it wasn't for many of you, our taxpayers, those individuals that on November 2016 voted to pass a bond for Spring ISD.
At our previous location, we were challenged and facing the space limitation to the point that we had to actually have portable buildings to have separations annexed out.
We were often impacted with the flooding that took place there on North Forest Boulevard, and it was difficult during a crisis where we couldn't get into the police department and anyone at the police department couldn't get out.
Cut the ribbon.
Great job.
They have the training facility here. They have a more advanced command center, dispatch center to be able to serve the community.
This is where the phone calls start to where we're able to dispatch from the street.
We're real excited about the need that we're meeting by opening this building.
We know that this project is going to make the community proud that they are a part of Spring ISD, that is looking after the safety and concerns of our students and our community and our business partners as well. All stakeholders involved, I think, are very pleased with our projects, and we're very happy about it.